Welcome to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. And if you are new to the channel, on this platform I share with you opportunities where you can apply online and work remotely. So we are officially on our way to our first 100 subscribers. Please do take a moment and subscribe to the channel. Well, without much waste of your time, let's jump onto today's company. So the company that we are looking at today, it's called A-Light. This company is in the HR space. So specifically, it's more of a personal development company. It deals with other companies that are seeking like HR services. So since here we mainly focus on job opportunities that we can apply and work remotely. So what you want to do once you are on this website is you will come to their about section, and then you come here where it's written careers, and then you're gonna click on it. And then once you've done so, this page should populate. So what you want to do first of all, because we're mainly interested in remote jobs, so as your keyword you're simply gonna type remote, and then you press enter to search for any remote work that they might be having. So as you can see already, there are quite a number of opportunities that they are looking to fill. So currently they've got 287 job openings that they are looking to fill. So here are some of them. So you will simply need to go through all of them and see which ones would you will be interested in, and then you can obviously apply for those that you would have identified. So let's say, as an example, you want to apply for this one, the senior buyer. So what you need to do next is you click on it, and then this page will populate, and then as you can see, and then our story, so you can read through all that information and find out what the company is all about. I'm not gonna read it for you. You can do that on your spare time. And then these are the responsibilities for this post. So you go through them and see if it is something that you are comfortable, if it is something that you are able to do, right? And then those are the minimum requirements. As you can see, a minimum of 5 years prior to relative business experience of an office environment, right? And then also intermediate to advanced Microsoft Office experience and skills, including Excel and PowerPoint. So go through those requirements and see if you've got them. And then your technical skills, those are the skills that they are looking. And then our commitment, you read through that as well. And then diversity policy statement. So basically it's a matter of you reading through each and every item before you even considering applying. Now if you are like me, obviously I'm interested in knowing what are the monetary rewards before I even apply for a post. So in this case they have indicated, so I'm not gonna read this whole paragraph. I'm just gonna start somewhere here where it's written, therefore an offer may fall anywhere between the estimated minimum base salary for this role of 58,300 for the year for full-time employees, and the estimated maximum base salary for this role of 130,000 per year for full-time employees. A-Light also offers a comprehensive benefits package. For specific details on benefits package, please visit that link. So you're going to visit this link for you to see those benefits. So if you are happy with this kind of range from 58 to 130, and you've got the right qualifications and the experience and the necessary experience, you can go ahead and apply for the job, right? So to apply, you simply click on apply now, right? Once you click there on apply now, the next page will load just now. So as you can see, this is the application process. So they will need as you can see, my information, my experience, application questions, voluntary disclosure, self identity, and then WOTC, and then the review. So you simply come here down, complete all this information. So this company recruits globally, so you would have to complete according to where you are currently staying, right? So complete all that information. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Are you going to be applying for any jobs from this site? Is there something that you've seen that you think maybe you can do? Please let me know. And then just before I let you go, this other day I created another video showcasing of a similar opportunity where you can apply and work remotely. I will leave the link to that video in the description box below. Otherwise the video will populate just now. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.